How to fix a game requires a system restart to play in Valorant. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Now, if you get such notification in your PC, there are a couple of steps that you can do. So starting off, you can just click on Ctrl plus R or search for run in the search bar. So over here, you will search for %temp percentage, then tap on OK. Click on Ctrl A, then tap on Ctrl D to delete all of this. And if you see such preview, just click on Skip. Then repeat this process. After that, what you can do is, since it requires a restart, you can tap on the window icon at the bottom. Then from here, click on the power button and tap on the restart option. So with the first step, we have removed the cache buildup that is in our device, and through the second step, we'll be restarting our PC so that the glitch can be removed. After that, what you can do is, instead of double tapping on your Valorant or your Riot client, just right click on it and run it as administrator. Do this after your PC has been restarted. This is how you can fix a game requires a system restart to play in Valorant error. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.